Pengu Game, so how to use it. So first of all, here is the app you're looking for probably. So by Slay GmbH. So it's a kind of like a German app developer. It's quite famous. They build few viral apps. So then there is another one, Pengu Race Virtual Pets. So you can just, race a cute Pengu with your friends. Like Pengu is a virtual pet which you need to take care of. So yeah, it's not a new concept, but it's going viral these days. If you remember things like Tamagotchi, which was like a digital pager before mobile phones in 1990s, you need to take care of your Tamagotchi, which was like a Japanese toy, and then you just taking care of your virtual pet, and then you just need to feed it. But this is kind of like a virtual pet in your iPhone. So you need to co-parent it with your friend, and each day you need to feed it, you need to entertain it, you need to give it clothes, and then you eventually need to spend money, buy coins, buy food for this pet. So this is the way also to interact with your friend. You can't raise Pengu alone. You need to basically find your friends, invite a friend for co-parenting. So you just search for your friend username. So just go in here, like for example, this is your friend, and then you need to basically tap invite your friend, and then raise your pet, give some food to your pet. You can add a widget, you can message to your friend, you can get some additional gems and coins. You can get some coins here. Then there is a store which you can use. So that's what it is. Then you can remind your friend that they have an invite. Then eventually you need to buy like food, well, like all of the things. Eventually you also need coins. You can get some free coins if you're watching ads. So that's what you have. So you need to always take care that all these red hearts in the bottom right are red. If they're getting out, they're just it means that your Pengu can die. So for example, I had already one Pengu, I didn't take a look at it, and it just died. So so to revive it, I need to spend basically 50 coins, or I can restart it. So that's what it is. That's the app. Pretty cool. Again, just go and create free account. Here's my co-parenting code. So which you can use. So that's the thing here. So yep, so you can see it. That's what it is, and unfortunately there are a lot of annoying ads in this app. I guess you can upgrade to get more free coins and stuff like that. So yep, that's what it is.